like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications. I'm gonna post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic, various types of insurance losses. We have 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. Right now you're looking at a 2022 Audi A6 with front end collision damage. So we're assessing the impact. This is the left front. There was no damage here. Frame rail looks okay. The bumper support on this side is okay. All the cooling is intact. The intercooler got a little bend in it, but it's holding fluid. Motor is sitting in place. You got a little damage here on the upper radiator support into the apron. The front bumper support is damaged on this side. Headlight is damaged. Front bumper assembly is damaged. Strut towel looks like it's sitting in place. A little damage to the apron here. The wheel is sitting in place. Quick walk around. The unit does run and drive. This is a Quattro, so it's an all-wheel drive. Doors back very clean. Let's check inside. Nice, no airbags deployed. A nice panoramic roof. Only 805 miles. Really nice. It'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.